yesterday, gold popped above the 2000 intraday, didn't close. Yeah, okay, so 31.660. And that's obviously gone down because we just had a massive tax collection so far this spring up until April 15th. So basically yesterday gold was intraday trading above 2000, but just barely. And now you can see, this is my Wall Street Journal benchmark, and you can see just a few minutes ago gold is at 20.40 and 20 cents an ounce, silver at $25.10 an ounce. And I thought this chart would be really good to come back to, but let me just go back to this. You can see straight across the board, all of our industrials, our NASDAQ technical, S&P, all down. But here's what I want to point out to you. Crude is also down to 79.96. So yesterday, after the world processed OPEC deciding to cut another 1.66 million barrels per day. That is added to the 1.7 that was already cut. So now we've got approximately 3.4 million barrels cut. Now that is about that's about a little under 3.7% of total daily consumption of oil. So what is happening is yesterday, as oil peaked, gold also peaked, because basically you're going back into commodities, you're going back into industrials, you're going to have gold peak up. But the reason I care about gold today specifically is now that we've already ingested the price constraints on oil has dropped back down. It was trading, crude benchmark for June delivery was trading at 84.46 yesterday. We're seeing it now back down to sub 80. And yet gold is still advancing, and actually has advanced quite substantially today, over 2%. At one point, it was 2.3%. So gold is still advancing, even in the absence of oil continuing to advance on the OPEC announcement just these last couple of days. So that indicates to me that we're getting some broader depth and breadth of other issues where gold is looking as, again, a safety asset. You can see this is a little joke that I pulled up for you guys. And basically the joke is a hedge fund manager specializing in highly complex derivatives and exotic financial instruments for discriminating investors, meaning accredited investors. And then the derivative and hedge fund guy saying, buy gold. So if you guys have been listening to the podcast since 2021 and you have listened to us and bought either physical, and we also do like some paper for a lot of accounts, and you have done that, you are going to be super happy with the fact that you listen to our advice. Gold is not going to be going down anytime soon, because this market is about to get even rockier.